Hey there, we're Chris and Cindy. Welcome to Our Champagne Life. One of our very favorite things to do is watch fireworks from the boat. So we took this opportunity to grab a couple of our kids' friends and take them out to see these fireworks. Trooper's starting to get used to hanging out at the boat, although we haven't started it even with him on it yet. We decided to hop over to Greenport in Long Island and spend Chris's birthday over at a Safe Harbor Marina in Greenport, and then head to Claudio's for dinner. Happy birthday, Chris! Chris got a trip to Greenport for his birthday.
Yeah.
One of his favorite places. The fun's not over yet, buddy. This marina is gorgeous. They have palm trees, by the way. Yup. We like palm trees. All right, we are tucked in at the marina and we are gonna have a blast today. Chris has no idea that our son is driving over from the other side of Long Island to come over and surprise him for his birthday. He has no clue. So I'm really excited that I was able to surprise him once again.
That's this response really put it in gear and it moves immediately. No delay, so it's nice. No one wants to see that.
But I want to see this.
Holy cow. Wow. That's a nice surprise. What's going on? I don't have a shirt on. Thank you. Hey, thanks for coming, guys.
Hi.
How are you?
Thanks for
coming?
coming.
Yeah, you did.
2 times now.
Yes,
How you doing?
Absolutely.
Haha, gotcha.
Yeah, nice.
That's why I was like, we have to go to Greenport tomorrow. We decided to just put the camera down and enjoy some time with AJ and his girlfriend Caitlin. And we had such a great day, amazing food, and Chris truly felt blessed. So, tell us about last night, Chris. Let's have a seat.
Well, I'm not as festive as Cindy when I do any reporting, but so last night,
You're all screwed.
yesterday we went to Greenport, and my wife surprised me with my son AJ and his girlfriend Caitlin.
I'm his wife, by the way.
Yeah, figured that out by now. Also my girlfriend. But surprised me with them coming to visit, so that was nice. So went to Greenport, went downtown and checked that out. Had dinner down there at the famous Claudio's.
We also had dinner.
I meant we had dinner. And then so we did that, and it was cool. And it got kind of late, and it was windy the whole day. We're down there over at Greenport, and on our way back, went through Plum Gut, which if you're from New England, you know Plum Gut can be pretty dicey with current and all that stuff. But then we turned into the sound and walked right into gigantic waves. We had like probably at least 4 to 5 footers nonstop, and we had some 10 footers. One looked like it was a 12 footer. This boat stood up pretty good and then came crashing down a couple times. It was quite the trip, white knuckling for sure, and waves crashing, going right over the bimini and hitting us in the face and stuff like that. We were soaked.
Yeah, we had to like wring out our clothes when we got back because it was so bad.
Yeah, it was, and there's all kinds of like seaweed and mung all over the boat. It was, but this boat is a beast. It totally took it. There's periods of time where I was like, we're gonna tip over, and it took it like a champ. Diesels kept pumping along, and it ran good. And in fact, the bilge pump kicked on one time the whole ride. So that's pretty solid, considering it only kicked on one time. But and it was only one bilge pump too. So yeah, it was definitely quite the boat. It didn't rain out, but the boat was soaked from the top of the bimini all the way down. Even by the time we came to docking it, which we were pretty tucked in here at the marina, so the wind was gone and there was like almost zero current. All that time it took docking it, tying it off, and hooking up the shore power. The boat was still dripping. It looked like it was raining out. It was still dripping from where we're at.
Mud, like sea mud, all over the boat.
All over, on the top, front, bow, everywhere.
But the funniest place that we found mud.
Yeah, so we've been chasing. There's something leaking on the boat, leaking into the boat. We've been trying to figure out if it was rain. There's a sink in our fly bridge. We thought it might have been that. There was a little bit of evidence there, but it looks like that might have been an old leak. And so I've been trying to chase it. Is it the radar arch? Is it the window bedment? And then when we came in after we tied the boat down and hooked up the shore power, we found a little mud over by one of our windows where the window opens up. It looks like, because we're getting hit by waves on that side, because you try to drive into them as much as you can, but eventually you got to get home. So we're getting hit by waves and mud and stuff like that on that side, and it looked like it left a little evidence trail for us that that's where the water's leaking.
Did you look in that track?
Yeah, it's all
where the blinds go. So let's show you what we're talking about. Here's some of the mud, and it's coming from in where the window slides here. But then if you look down this track where the blinds connect into, it's all muddy. So we are going to vacuum this out and seal up the leak, and hopefully that'll be it. All right, well, there you go.
Yeah.
It was dicey. Getting rid of 1990. Would you say that's about as well? It was,
well, at least mid-90s.
Yeah. We have fire sticks. We didn't need all this fun. Ooh. Oh, that's kind of a fancy cabinet. pulling out the 2 VHF players. One's a DVD combo. And the stereo, because we're just going to put in like a more modern stereo that we can Bluetooth to. Right, Chris?
That's right.
This is really interesting.
Yeah, it is, that's for sure.
Oh, yeah. I feel like these are going to be wasted, though.
That's why that didn't turn on.
Why?
Not plugged in.
Oh. Which one was that? The VCR?
VCR, yeah.
Oh. All right, then. Very nice.
Oh boy.
What?
It's like screwed into the VCR.
For real?
Yeah.
Oh my god. What am I writing? And on what? Antenna.
Yeah.
Look at us trying to be smart. Learning from our dumbness. What am I putting it on that?
Well, 2 pieces. This. And
These two?
yep. I can tape them right. No, it doesn't matter.
Alright. It is what it is. Cindy did what she did.
And then we should mark these.
Mark them?
Mm-hmm.
Mark them with what?
So you could say like left
Yeah.
minus, right minus.
Myas?
Minus.
Oh. I was like, I am lost. Left minus?
Yeah. Left. Put LU minus. Like that.
Upper?
Yeah.
I already wrote left, dude.
You got it from there, right?
Maybe. Is there a right minus upper?
That'd be RU plus.
How about just right? Upper. We're trying to be all cool, but then we might not remember what the hell we're talking about. And then,
Right. Upper.
wait, was that
minus,
supposed to be plus or minus?
plus? Same thing for right.
What?
Right. Right upper minus. Right upper plus.
You said this was right upper plus, honey.
But
What is it?
this one's left.
You said right.
Whatever.
And it's on film.
Well, you got it right here. Just
I'm not looking. I'm just writing what you're telling me, you fool.
you're the brains of organization.
No, that's not my job. I don't want it. So now what am I doing?
Right upper minus.
You're always wanting to tell me what to do. Why is this the problem? You should be thrilled.
What the hell we got going on here?
Right upper minus.
city streets, we began to feel the fire.